Hello everybody, got a video here on chainsaws and the most common reason why they don't have compression. This here one's a Poland. It's one of the cheap, it's actually a cheap brand, but it was brought to me and they wanted me to fix it. But it has no compression at all. You should be able to pick up the saw off the table there with it. But the compression is so low on it that it won't do nothing. It's got good spark, it gets gas, but it just won't run. So I will show you the most common reason why you don't have compression on them. All you got to do is pull the cover off here, which you have that little plate. And there's the spark arrestor, which is pretty much a little screen. And after that, there's two bolts in here, or screws, and it takes a Torx bit on this here one. We'll pull those out and remove the muffler. And that lets the muffler come off, and there's usually a gasket on the back side, or there should be anyway. And you have another little plate here. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but we'll try to get a good view of it here. Back in this hole here, you can see the piston where it goes up and down. And you see all those scratches on it? That's from the saw being ran either with the oil not mixed strong enough like it should be, or it didn't have any oil in it at all. Trying to get it to where the ring should be. Right there is the ring that goes around the piston, and it is actually seized in there so it don't expand up against the cylinder walls. So there's no way for it to make compression. So this one's probably got maybe 10 pounds at the most. And that's the main reason why. And on these saws, it's cheaper to buy a new one than what it would be to pay someone to rebuild it. Because you'd have to replace the cylinder wall, the piston, and the rings. And by the time you do that, it's price-wise, it's not worth it. But that's the main reason why most saws like this don't run. They're either the compression is gone from the oil not being mixed in the fuel like it should. So always make sure you use a good brand oil. Mix it like it calls from the manufacturers. And have a great day, everybody. Bye.